Hello, humans! So this is episode 4 of our Scratch coding tutorial. And what we have right now is the fact that Scratch can move around, and he's animated, and he gets hurt when he touches the block. But you can notice that once his health is at 0, he doesn't really die, it just makes that annoying alien noise. So, in between episodes, I made this, a death screen. I'll just name it death screen. Feel free to pause the video and make your own death screen if you want. And I got this and that. These two things are literally what they say. It hides the sprite and it shows the sprite. But when we're playing the game, we don't want to have to see this all the time. So we want it to hide it. So when the flag is clicked, let's show it real quick, but when the flag is clicked, it'll get hidden. So now that we've done that, we need to make it so when the evil block actually kills us, instead of making alien creaks, let's just put that down here for now. Instead of making alien creaks, let's make it so it actually shows this and like stops everything in the game. So if 1 is greater than health, we will want to do something called broadcast. Broadcasting is like, somebody over here is like, oh, I want to say, just to make it more clear, I'll make it so these are like people. This person over here is like, oh, I want to tell my friend that he needs to, like, get out of his house. I see smoke coming from outside the windows, coming out the windows. So we'll be like, well, I can't go to their house or else I'll get caught on fire and die. So I'm gonna send them a message, like text them, and they're like, okay, I'm gonna text them this message to get out of their house. And they're like, oh, I have to do that? So they'll do the thing once they receive that message. And we'll use this to detect when they receive that message. So let's just get rid of these and that. But put broadcast message 1 here. And let's make a new message called show death screen. So if health is greater than 1, then broadcast show death screen. So when death screen receives that, it should be, when it receives show death screen in events, you're like, oh, I'm receiving this, so I want to show myself. Gotta show it. But, well, when that happens, the game will still be running. See? I'm still losing my health. So we want to actually, like, stop everything when the game runs. Also put, like, a wait here so the death screen doesn't appear as soon as the game starts. 0.1 seconds should be good. So when I receive show death screen, we want to show it, but everything else will be running. So go to control, scroll down a bit, and go to stop all. Get that out, and all is all the scripts running at the moment. It'll stop all of this, everything will shut down, like, you know, closing a store. So if we put that there, it'll stop everything. Let's put a little wait here. 0 seconds. 0 seconds. And now that we have done this, let's set our health to low and then die. Oh, we seem to have a problem. It's not stopping all. Oh, I know if this isn't working for some reason, I know what we could do. Get this weight 0 out. Maybe that will do something. Down here. Excuse me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There! For some reason the wait 0 seconds was sort of breaking it. But we have a death screen. And then when we play the game, we will get hurt by the block again, and then if we get our health to 0, we will die. I mean, I'm not going to demonstrate it because that will take a while. But, you know, one evil block just doesn't seem like enough. It's not enough to get this death screen out. Like, it'll take a while for the player to die. So, when flag clicks, let's detach this and attach this and get rid of that. But instead, let's get a when I start as clone. Because we're going to clone this guy and move him all over the place. There's going to be like maybe 3 of them. I don't know. So, that is like when the flag is clicked, but instead when I start as clone. So when flag clicked, create clone of myself, and like get a repeat, which is just repeats through the script a couple times. Let's make it 3. And when I start as clone, forever, glide 2 seconds to random position. And also, when I start as clone, if touching player, start sound meow and change health by -1. And everything else seems to be working. Let's just put this alien creek in here. There. Except, we still sort of see this purple block. So when flag clicks, go to the looks and hide it. But then when I start as clone, we want to show the clone. But it kind of just looks a little bit weird, all of them coming out on right there. So when the game starts and I start as a clone, go to random position. So it looks more natural. And now there's more threats to avoid, and once I'm low enough, I will actually get a death screen and it'll say I've died. Right there. And when we press play again, it'll be gone and we don't see the death screen. Well, in the next episode, I don't know what we'll be doing, like I said in that one other episode, but we'll be doing something else, and maybe adding variants of the evil monster. Bye, humans!